Tommy, what's going on?
I'm trying to figure out what's going on with these pocket doors. You know, they're over 100 years old, and pocket doors are really sweet for
So original, huh?
original. See how quiet
That
they
is
are?
a beauty. Look at the size of that thing.
Still run good.
That is awesome.
But this one over here, not so good. It actually fell off the wheels right here, and we had to pull it out of the opening. And I've never actually seen this hardware before. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to open it up above. We've had to strip the plaster off of this wall here.
Yep.
I'm going to take off this piece up here on the top, that cap piece, so I can reach down and pull these wheels up. And then I'm going to see how they fit on the door. See if we can lift that out.
Oh, what have we got in there?
Reach down, get the wheel. There it is.
Oh, cool.
Look at that. And it looks like some kind of an adjustment right there. And this goes into the door. So we've got to get that into the door and see how it holds in place.
Check this out. Richards, Wilcox Manufacturing from Illinois. Huh. Patent pending May 24th, 1881.
So I would say these are definitely original to the house.
Still in service on one side.
Yeah, and here's the other one.
Very cool.
Nice, huh?
Yeah. So this is the top of the door that came off.
Right. Okay, so now this one will go this way, and the other one will drop in the other way. But this is interesting. So if you look at these pins, because of the angle that they're on a diagonal. Because they're on a diagonal, it's the adjustment for the height of the door, so you can see how this wheel goes further away from the door when I move it back.
Up or down.
Yep.
And then this one here?
That little opening there is so that you can get to the screw that locks it into place. Now these screws on both of them have fallen out. I thought for sure we'd be able to find them inside the opening. Couldn't do it. So I picked up a couple of screws, and I'm going to have to probably modify this hole just a little bit so I can get the head of the screw to fit in there. See that head fits in there?
Yep.
All right.
Good.
Pretty good. And to get the other one to work. Now if I tighten this up, does it stay there? Yeah.
Holy smokes.
Yep.
Rock solid.
Pretty cool. I love it. All right, so now we have to take the wheels off, put them back inside the opening.
Also good right there.
And it's going to be a trick to get these on the door while it's in the hole. All right, so I got to get those two pins lined up with the holes. Oh. Oh my gosh, that went right in. Look at that.
Come on up. Give me one more second. All right, the thread's caught.
Okay, just keep going.
I can go a little tighter to pull this up.
Snug it up.
All right, let's see if that gets over the...
Let's see how they meet.
Oh, look at that.
Nice and quiet, huh?
Boy, that thing slides like it's brand new.
All right, so let's bring them together.
Holy mackerel.
That really slides easy. Right in the middle there.
There. Very nice. What do you think, Tommy? Get another 120 years out of these?
Well, 100 anyway.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.